Hello, my friend family. Hope you guys are good. Many people ask me, Kareem, do you process visas for US or Canada? Do you send people out? Okay, first of all, I want to let you know I don't send anyone anywhere. I'm not an agent. I'm an advisor. That's why I'm called Kareem the Advisor or Kareem Advisory Services or Kareem Travel Advisor, whatever you call it. I'm an advisor. My job is just to assist you in documentation and then maybe fill up your application forms, the visa application forms, and then submit the applicant form to the embassy. And now it's the embassy to decide either to grant you a visa or deny you a visa. For me, I don't grant visas, I don't send people anywhere. But in case, if you are interested in US visit visas or Canadian visit visas, you're welcome to contact me. You can come to my Ugandan office, or we can also work online, as you know, my work is mostly online. You see, for me, as myself, I have a US visa for 5 years, then I also have a Canadian visa for almost 3 years, then also have my Brazil visa for almost another year. So I do these visas by myself. So Alhamdulillah, I'm very well versed in these things. But I'm not an agent, as I said, I'm not giving you short visa. What I can do is just take my service charges, apply on your behalf, and then you wait. If you get the visa, Alhamdulillah. If you don't get the visa, of course, my service charges you have paid. Also the embassy fee, which is around, for Canada and US, is around 750K. The people usually ask me, it's $185 US and 185 Canadian dollars. They almost turn out to be around 750K Ugandan shillings or around 750 dirhams. That's the charges for the embassy. For me, I charge 500K. That's 500 Ugandan shillings or 500 dirhams for each application. So if you're willing to take that risk of that amount, you're most welcome. We can try your luck. If you're interested, you can send a hi on my WhatsApp number given on the screen. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, much love, peace, and as I always say, God bless Africa. One love.